when we are able to think, we are able to engage our thinking brain, which is our, prefrontal cortex. This is the one that gets us to, to get to understand this, because you find that there is always a contradiction between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is the one that knows what it wants, that comes up with plans, it comes up with ideas, it comes up with strategies. But your subconscious mind is the one that runs, like habits, the one that has been trained just to automate things. And you've got an idea that you want to execute, but your subconscious mind says, no, you've never done that, you'll never do it. It starts reminding you of your past. That's where you get stuck. And you end up just, falling back on what, you have been doing all along or over the years. So that's something that's important. So we always have to train our thinking mind so that it's in line with our subconscious mind. Because when you wake up in the morning, you go brush your teeth, you are not thinking about that anymore. It's a subconscious mind that is running you. So we need to move and wake up from the subconscious mind into the conscious mind, which is the present mind, the mind that directs us, the mind that really thinks about ideas and strategies. Don't just get lost in the habits.